How to add credit card to Rocket Money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your credit card to Rocket Money in just few steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to just go to Google and type here Rocket Money. Once you do that, you will get this first link. Click on the first link, and here, this is a first page, or you can say home page. On the top right, you will get two options: the Get Started and Login. So you can't log in if you don't have an account. So you have to make an account. So just click on Get Started and you have to make an account. So to make an account, it's very easy. You have to just enter your few details such as your first name, last name, email address. And once you do that, you have to just go back, right? And you have to just log in. Once you log in, you will see this is a dashboard of Rocket Money. So how you can add your credit card. On the right side, you can see there is an option of credit card option. So if I just tap here, for example, once I tap on it, it will ask my what bank I'm using. So for example, I'm using Chase, right? So here, if you're not able to find, you can just search it, and once you search it, whatever your bank account, you can just choose from here. For example, I will click on this. Once I click on this, you can see it's loading for a few seconds, and it will ask me to connect effortlessly. I have to give my some data. So I will just click on continue, and once I click on continue, I will just click on this, right? And once I'm here, it will ask me to continue to log in. So once I click on this, it will redirect to my bank account login page. You can see it here, right? So you have to enter your username and password. Once you have entered it, make sure you just sign in. And once you click on sign in, it will automatically sync with Rocket Money. And in this way, on the right side, you will get to see your credit card and you will be able to use it. I hope you found this video very useful.